Transform your video projects from good to utterly professional by mastering one essential skill: creating seamless rolling credits in Adobe Premiere Pro. Today, we'll guide you step by step through crafting those classic, smooth scrolling credits that elevate your movies, documentaries, and any video masterpiece. Let's dive in by opening your Premiere Pro project and navigating to the Essential Graphics panel. If you don't see it, go to Window, then Essential Graphics. With the timeline active, click on the new layer icon and select text. This creates a text layer on your timeline, ready for us to build our credits. Now, in the program monitor, you'll see a blinking cursor. Start typing your first credit, like a title, followed by the name associated with it, for example, directed by, and then the director's name. You can easily adjust the font, size, color, and alignment of your text right here in the Essential Graphics panel. Make it legible and visually appealing for your audience. To add more credits, simply duplicate this text layer. You can either type each credit individually, or, for a longer list, copy and paste your pre-written credits from a document directly into the program monitor. Once you have all your individual text layers for your credits, select all of them by clicking and dragging the marquee around them on the timeline. Now, right-click on any of the selected text layers and choose Nest. This groups all your credits into a single, manageable clip. With your nested credit sequence selected, go to the Effect Controls panel. We're going to add a crucial animation to make them roll. Locate the position property under Motion. Click the stopwatch to add your first keyframe. This marks the starting point of your credit roll. Now, move your playhead to the very end of your nested credit sequence clip on the timeline. In the Effect Controls panel, adjust the position value, specifically the vertical position, so that your credits have completely scrolled off the top of the screen. This ensures a smooth, clean exit. Hit play, and there you have it. Why Euro professionally rolling credits smoothly ascending your screen. You can tweak the animation speed by adjusting the duration of your nested sequence or by moving the keyframes closer or further apart in Effect Controls. Master this technique, and your video productions will instantly gain that polished, finished look. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more essential video editing tutorials.